Hey, what's going on, gamers? It's your boy the Cubist here, coming at you again with another episode in the Play and Ever Game in my Epic Games Library series. Today we're going to be playing Wolfenstein. All right, there. So this game, as far as I know, is about Nazis and killing them, probably. Usually you don't have a game where you don't kill the Nazis if it has Nazis in it. So that's allegedly the game. Probably that's all I really know. So let's go. Can I play Daddy? Don't hurt. I am Death Incarnate Uber. Let's do medium. I'm a pretty medium gamer. Okay, he's taking a nap. That's probably the worst spot to take a nap, potentially, is in a helicopter.
I smell the barbecue. I hear children. A dog. And I see someone. I think I see someone. These things. None of it for me. I'm moved by roaring engines. I'm lone warriors. We come from the night.
Eyes open, Blazkowicz. You keep the lookout. I need to go for a piss. A shite! Fuck! Fuck! Back on the door! No, not today. Blazkowicz, go back into the flight deck. Clamp the fuel line to engine 6, quickly!
Go, go, go! What am I doing? What am I doing? This seems like I need to do it. Go to the blue thing. I need tools. Dear Lord.
There's 1,000 gallons of gas in the port tank. Get it done or we'll lose the whole way.
Okay, sorry, hold on. Need a little bit of sensitivity here, guys. I did turn it up a little bit. Need a little bit more. Alright, that seems better.
Fire! Fire! Close it down for boxing!
Holy shit. I like how I'm taking damage.
Cracking job, Captain.
I like that.
We're losing altitude. Need to drop weight or we will be ditching hard light. Head for the cargo bay and jettison everything we've got.
Everything we've got. The cargo doesn't matter. Our lives are apparently more important.
I'm tracking up the cargo.
Jesus.
Right. Concentrate on this Glasgow. Get that Glasgow escaping the surface.
Go, go, go. Dear Lord. Get it out of here. Fuck the cargo. I healed somewhere. I don't know where I healed.
Grand. We're climbing now. Return to the cockpit, Blazkowicz.
I'm coming. Oh, I'm not coming.
You all right back there?
I should have died. There's no fucking
It's
way.
coming from Death's compound.
Shit. That's a lot of planes. Okay. Wow. I'm back.
Carries off! Up to the turret, Blazkowicz. Go, go! Crane kills. Mind
Where?
our friendlies.
Where? Where? Here, X, come in. Get me in, boys.
Hell, I'm being targeted. They're all around me.
Oops. Where? That one seems like a bad guy.
Engine 654, and I have a fire in the cockpit. Outstanding, Blazkowicz. You just saved my crew. Good
Got
shot.
you, bro.
This is not supposed to be a very snug haircut. Nobody over there. Grounding in all directions. God damn, that's fast. Get the engines on those things.
Holy snap. Was that a friendly? That might have been a fucking friendly.
Right ahead. It's coming right at us. Shoot, shoot. Right in front of us, Glasgow. Ah, shite.
Death at the gates again. All in my name.
That's not how you do CPR. It's not. Proper
Hell, more I
CPR.
win.
You're still breathing, you jammy bastard. You're tough as they come, you know. Jesus Christ.
Mayday! Vulture 1, come in, Vulture 1.
Red pack 3, Glasgow. Use it. Keep playing at your hats, can't you? Hey, Condor 9, this is Vulture 1. You're crowding me. He's off.
Negative, Vulture 1. Got a serious case of ambush. You'll need to shuffle out of formation and you need to make room, Ferguson.
Affirmative, Randall.
Oh my
Glasgow,
god.
retract the radar. Pull the handle up there by those flashing lights. Much obliged, Captain. I appreciate your
that
problem,
horrible
Condor 9.
pee-pee?
I see smoke. I see solution coming off your rudders. Your freeze ailerons are done.
Yeah, this thing handles like a concrete fridge. Thanks, Ferguson, for the... Ah!
Condor 9. Come in, Condor 9.
What do you mean come in, bro? He's...
Transport.
What do you
Condor
mean
9,
come in, bro?
Come in, Condor 9.
This is Condor 9!
Who's this?
Private Wyatt! Sergeant 9 Airborne!
All right, bear boy. Listen up, pay close attention. Now, you see the pilot's wheel?
Yes, sir!
Right. I want you to grab it as hard as you can with both hands and pull it towards you. Now, don't turn it, mind you. You keep it level, just pull it towards your chest.
Okay, sir! I think it's working! We're leveling out!
Okay, Private Wyatt. I need you to do one more thing for me.
Sir!
Have a man ready by the side door. You are getting visitors.
Roger that, sir!
Glasgowitz, get the cockpit door open. You're gonna have...
I'm one step ahead of you, man.
Ready? Here we go!
Why are we leaving this plane? Nah, bruh. There's just no fucking way.
I got you!
Get me in there.
Look out!
Yeah, I don't know why you guys just left the plane. Like, there was no driver in there, man. That's like the stupidest.
Let's go, let's go!
Sir,
Sir.
what's the score, Cat?
Do or die, son. Same as always.
Hoorah, sir.
Pilot 10, shrapnel to the leg and I'm bleeding out.
Well, we're in the action. You know I like getting in the action.
I know what to do.
Oh, thank God you're here!
Quiet, get off your ass! Vultures 1, 3, 4, 8, 9 are down. That's all right, slaves that will have to abort. Glasgow, let's get this boy off the floor.
It's a negative, Condor 9. Maintain your course.
God damn it, Gordon. We're getting murdered out here.
Listen to me, Ferguson. If this mission
Thank you,
fails, we lose
sir.
Europe. It's that simple.
Damn it.
If you don't stop this head now, Fergus, that window is closed forever. We will lose this war.
Aye, Gordon, I hear you. Look, I've got to go. Death's Head's compound's coming up.
OSA command out.
Condor 9 out. Grab your ball back,
You
Glasgow.
can see a castle.
Brace for impact. We're coming down hard.
Grab my what?
See, fuck all. Hold on!
It's the break of dawn. July 16, 1946. Everything has gone to shit. The Nazi war machine is advancing at an astonishing rate. And we can't catch up. Our tactics are failing. Outclassed and outgunned. No one knows why. People are getting desperate. Not me. I'm here to see an old friend and settle a score. Turn this thing around.
Ow! That's a metal T-Rex.
Mayday, mayday. Anyone out there?
I'm here. Can't Answer the radio. Donde estábamos?
Fergus, what's your status?
Blazkowicz, we've got the skitters in bad ways over here. Trapped inside an aircraft. Well, some kind of armored hellbeast is trying to fucking eat us. No joke.
The same problem here. Shacked up inside dead wreckage.
Is that you over there? Hey, Private Wyatt, flash your lights. Blazko, can you see the light? Wait, turn off the light, turn it off.
I gotta tell him twice.
I see you. What can I do for you?
We can't get to it from our position. Utterly fucking trapped in here. But if you can access a cockpit turret on this here aircraft, you might be able to kill the beast. Regular small arms sure don't work for bug at all. Hey, perhaps you can swim here. Just keep your head down below the surface. You should be all right.
Good plan, Fergus. Coming to you.
Press. Okay. I will take health, yes, and please. Okay, bro. I'm trying, it's not working. Bro. It is not... There we go, okay. I don't think I have very long sprint or something.
Filled by death's head. Should have killed that man long ago.
Overcharge, don't need to do that. Let me out, let me breathe. I know they say keep my head under, but I need to breathe probably. Where am I going? Over this way? Yeah. No? That's just health? I'm already full health? Am I under? There's a dead body. I'm on. Oh god, the hitboxes are so big. Nope. Okay. Jesus. Alright. Come on. Come on. There we go. I'm worried that big thing's gonna come get me, huh?
Alright, listen up. There's a high-powered machine gun nest in those trenches over there. We cannot advance a unit without being slaughtered. So, I want you to make your way over into those trenches and take the nest out. Just run as fast as you possibly bloody can, straight up the middle. We'll lay down cover fire from here.
Got it.
I'll put this on. I'll radio updates from our position. Right, lads, you ready to lay down suppressor fire?
Just go. Just go. Shield? Yes, please. Okay. Is there ammo? Hello in the ammo department here. Okay, grenade. What button do I press for that? I mean, I assume it's this button. Shit.
Top job, Glasgow. We'll need the respite. Have enough troubles with that walking Nazi war machine. Stop it.
Oi!
Now, try to find an entrance to the cliffside bunker. There are 2 cannons up there I need you to eliminate. I'm taking the usual.
Give me ammo, please, and thank you.
Alright, listen up, people. Captain Blanco at the scene. press the clearance apart. We are moving out, and you will show them the courtesy of not getting yourself either shot or killed by the stumper. Understood?
Where am I supposed to be going? Hold LB and move this to lean under. No, wait, hold on. Hold on. These controls are not... LB down. Oh, God! I should have known. Assault rifle 1946. Ooh.
Blasco, that stomper seems to be stalking the trench line.
I can... Oh, God. Oh, the SMG seems just better. Yeah. I like this more. Probably have to do some damage. These guys are just dying in like 1 or 2 shots anyway, so... Pick up, just pick it all up. Anything over here? Where the fuck did you come from? I looked there, did I not? Granata. There's a fucking granata. That granata did some damage. Where am I going? Does anyone even know? Might have to start using the AR soon. It has so much more kick. That's why I don't like it. Alright, I guess we'll try this way. Maybe this is the right way? Jesus. Am I need to kill that thing? Hompin' floppin'. I see you. Can't hide from me. Oh man. Nice, I like grenades. Do you like having grenades on me? I have 3 of them. This is where I just was. Oh my god. Once again, boys, we are lost. Another game where I don't know where the fuck I'm going. Okay, seriously, missing every single one of those fucking shots. Once that overcharge, I'll take that.
This ain't a breaking of seals. The undoing of life itself.
Maybe this is the right way? I'm getting dialogue. But I'm pretty sure this is where I came from. So... sneak up and press a button before we're taken down. Shh. Very quiet. Heavy ammo. Double pistols! Now we're talking, boys. What? Where's my ammo at? Yep. 40 health overcharge? Holy. Oh my god, I'm so overcharged. Get in there. I want more pistol ammo, dog. Take out commanders. Alright. Hold on, let me do this and knife. Yeah! It's a stealth mission, boys. Oh, that was a takedown! Holmes. How have I not killed him yet? Holy shit, I suck dick. I want pistol ammo, man. Okay, where is this alarm they keep speaking of? Is it this thing? I'm full on grenades, really. Broadcasting alarm. Looks like it's this way. Yeah, it's this way. Overcharged. Maybe I should have just ran out. I was overcharged. It's probably really loud for you guys, maybe. Is it? I don't know. It's pretty loud in my ear, and I'm not very loud myself, so hopefully the volume is operational for you guys. Good dudes pick up all this shit. Where's the damn pistol ammo, dude? Bomb needed. Where are we gonna get a bomb from, guys? You think this can do it? No. Worth a shot? And they don't want me to go in there. It's about in here. Pistol ammo! Oh, conveniently placed gun. Or bomb, sorry, excuse me. I'm kind of curious what was over here. Let's see.
Glasgow, those two cannons are perched on the upper levels of the cliffside bunker. You have to put them out of commission.
His health.
People in the air and those cannons are blasting us out of the sky.
The run is like weird. Maybe it's like that so it doesn't turn into Call of Duty, I don't know. Disable the cannons. What cannons? Dude. I need some damn cover. too good here. Let's go into this room. See if I can maybe convince them to come to me. Throw back. I know you're there, man. And then die. Yeah, I think it's hard. It's from the other side. Shit. Okay, left and turn. Okay. I wish there was like auto pickup. I gotta press X on everything. It's a health pack. Don't mind if I do. Holmes. Dumbass. Okay. Got any other, anything of use here? Alright, I guess we just go up and we choose... Well, this side doesn't do anything. So I guess we gotta go this side. Yeah, this looks like there's... Wait, this is where I just was. Where's my objective? Where the f am I supposed to be going? Oh. Probably this way, huh? Maybe? Yes. Gotta make sure they're dead. How does that help me? Gold medal. Okay, so I can come out here. This is where I'm supposed to be. Like, I've miraculously been able to go in the right direction, which is very good for games. Typically. But also, like, I don't know... The Enigma Code, part 1 of 1. I don't know... 25 armor. I don't know where I'm supposed to go now. Like, so far it's been pretty obvious. Now I'm a little lost. Oh, maybe go up here. That was an auto-save. Okay, we're in the right direction. Let's go. Completely with all of those shots. I see you. You're next.
We made it past the stopper. Getting nearer to the cliff wall directly below Deathhead's compound. Gonna take a lot of fucking rope to climb up there.
A lot of rope. Do I need to find them rope? What is... Man, this is just like they're just living here. You know, like, obviously it's war, but, like, you know, it's just like their room, and I just killed them. It was kind of fucked up. Oh, yeah. It was worth it. 25 armor, possibly the best find. Up here, I guess. Anything fancy? There's gotta be more people up here, right? Two shots. Well, I think it was three because I missed one, but after the first one, it was two shots. 80 health? Oh my god. Maybe I should have done a harder difficulty. I mean, I guess this is kind of the tutorial area, huh? What a shot. Good thing they didn't use that turret. It's gotta be cinematic. I know I have it always, but it's more fun when I hold the knife.
Hey, that's very good, Captain, but there's one more cannon further up still firing at our bird. We started climbing the cliff wall below the castle. Hurry up and meet us at the top.
I regret everything. Oi! Oh! I want peace, says the Fuhrer. Future of humanity is at stake. Rare interview exclusive for this paper discussing the war effort. Beloved Fuhrer desires to make no mistake about it. I want peace remain cap willing to fight to the death for it. Interesting. Was that a real quote from Hitler? Probably not, huh? Should I be pulling these? Okay, there's a timer on them. Should probably figure out what they do first before I just start yoinking shit. Use the auto aim feature. Cheese! Now we're talking. I love cheese. Steal everything from them. They don't deserve anything. Wolfenstein. Wolfenstein. I see a red X, I shoot a red X.
Hey, Private
Private Riot, dude. Let's go, Private Riot. What a legend. He's dead. I killed him, man. What have I become? Oh my god. Grenade, grenade, grenade.
Hey, doggy! Hey, you okay, Captain? Take my hand, I'll help you up.
Private Wyatt, good kid.
Good
I'm
kid.
sure you'll return the favor, sir, and then some. Here.
Exit level. Alright, well, we're gonna call it there. Let's watch the cutscene.
Pay attention, beer boys.
Here,
This
boys.
is all turned from a goose hunt to a stick-up job. Behind us now is a centre pillar of the German army. What are you doing, you puppet bastard?
Private gate, sirs. Important for duty.
Well, crazy and dedicated. Welcome to the war. Take over, Private. Now, General Death's Head is nearer to us now than he's been in years. Some nasty wounds you've got there, Private. Be sure to mind that bleed. We eliminate the General, we cut the head off the crowd war machine. We don't, they're gonna have us for breakfast.
You all right there, kid? Sir, my eyes are watering, and I think I'm gonna be sick. Is this normal?
It's just nerves. Let me teach you a trick. Inhale. Count to 4. Exhale. Count to 4. All there is to it.
Well, having our ass tanned by some Nazi mutant fucking Frankenstein. So we ready then, lads? This time, we get the job done. Now let's go. Let's move it on. Go. Are you lazy or wee roasted? This is a war, not a fucking Sunday church walk. Come on.
A good team. Like father and son.
Captain Blazkowicz, Gates, Benson, your job is simple. Climb up this wall.
The
get inside,
job is
locate
simple.
the control room for this big fucking door and open it for us.
Winning
See
a
any
war.
Nazi firearms, you take them. Bound to be better than ours. The rest of us will cover you from down here. Now, once the door's open, we get inside, we work our way up through the building, we meet up again on the top floors, we find Death's Head, and we shoot him in the head. Check. Check. No pressure.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna call it right there. Something good stopping point. End of level 1. Exposition of level 2. Very seamless transition from level 1 to level 2, if I must say so myself. Very impressive stuff. Are you sure you want to exit the game, Wimps Heroes? That's fucking hilarious. Alright, sorry about that. Had a little rude interruption there, but we're back. We're gonna take it over the tier list here. Where we're gonna put that? I think if it wasn't clear, I might want to play that again. That was great. That was a wonderful time. If I've played the whole game, it might end up in the top tier. I mean, it was certainly a very good game. Well polished, well put together, right in the action. Very, very just in there. It was good. It was a good time. Yeah, it was a great game. I might play it again. I don't know if and when I will, but I might. It was very good. I had a good time. So if you have Wolfenstein in your thing, if consider if you liked what you saw. If you're like, hey, I like the shooters, you like Bioshock. It's something very like a Bioshock game, but more about the gunplay rather than the because Bioshock has the like abilities, whereas this didn't seem to have it. But it had a definitely interesting story. I think the story was kind of like the Nazis never lost the war. Right? Because it's in 1946. I think that was after the war, or this wasn't, and I'm a fucking idiot. But I'm pretty sure that was after the war. I thought the war ended in 45. So I think it's kind of like a universe set that the Nazis didn't lose the war, and you're trying to win it. So pretty awesome. Pretty good game. Hope you enjoyed that episode. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know what it's about. And this is the tier list so far. It's it's coming along really well here. I'm not gonna lie. It is truly coming along. I think I'm gonna scoot all these over. Is that's not. Oh my gosh. You guys don't want to see this. Anyways, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.